Hey, shop colleague and future data analyst. Welcome back to channel where we transfer the ordinary world of the online shopping into a gripping adventure. Imagine you a fearless explorer of the e-commerce navigating the perilous sea of the reviews and product descriptions. It's like being in Indiana Jones of online shopping, dodging bad buys and discovering hidden treasures. Now, before you get too excited, let's honest. This isn't your typical super professional method for segment analysis in your product reviews. It's more like the DIY product you started on a lazy Sunday afternoon, but somehow that turn in and elaborate whole renovations. We are talking about an approach that so amateur. It's practically wearing a hello, my name is Binningers badge. Okay, and in this tutorial, we want to categorize online shop product reviews into three types: positive, negative, and neutral, and calculate the total percentage of the each. It's like trying to sort out a bag of jollibees into a cheerful, disappointing and mere flavors. We are bringing the order to the choice. So, gear up for unlocking AI insight, decoding product reviews with our super amateur sentiment analysis method with the Databricks and PySpark and GPT-2. Okay, explanation of the code first. Setting up a Spark and loading GPT-2 model, creating a sample data from with the product reviews. Third, sentiment analysis with the GPT-2. First, categorize sentiments. And finally, calculating overall sentiments statistic, total reviews, positive, negative, and neutral percentage. First of all, we need to install the necessary libraries for implementing this scenario. I have already installed them, transformers and torch. Okay, next step is import necessary libraries and modules. And next step is initialize Spark session. Okay, and load pre-trained GPT-2 model and tokenizer. Okay, this code is neat of virtualizing a GPT-2 language model from a GPT-2 LM head model and its corresponding tokenizer, GPT-2 tokenizer, using pre-trained weights from the GPT-2 model. This allows us to leverage the powerful capabilities of the GPT-2 model for neutral language processing tasks. sorry, natural language processing task. This model can generate text and understand language patterns, while the tokenizer breaks down text into tokens for further analysis. It's worth noticing that the choice of the GPT-2 was based on its availability and the fact that it was free. Additionally, as we know, there is a newer version of the model known as a GPT. Okay, and in next step, we want to create a sample data frame with a column of the product reviews containing the three types of the reviews. Contains positive, negative, and neutral, which is a combine of the positive and negative words. Okay, and I want to create a sample data frame. df is a create with a single column named review containing product reviews. Okay, in this section we will define a user defined function UDF named analysis statements percentage that generate a summary of the statements percentage positive, negative, and neutral using the GPT-2 model for analyzing product reviews. First section, we are using a GPT-2 tokenizer to break down the input review text into individual token. Then we join this token into a single string, and we define variable review for GPT, which is suitable for input to the GPT-2 language model. This tokenizer step paper text for further analysis and processing using the GPT-2 model. And next, in the next snip, we tokenize the input review using the GPT-2 sorry tokenizer to obtain input IDs. Then we feed these input IDs into the GPT-2 model, retrieve the logits, raw output scores, and convert them into probability using a softmax function. The final probabilities represent the model's confidence scores for each token in the vocabulary, indicating the likelihood of the positive or negative sentiments. And the return tensor PT here. Okay, equal PT, sorry, the return tensors PT argument in tokenizer encode is used to specify their desired format for return tensors. In this case, it indicates that the function should return PyTorch tensors. The PT stands for PyTorch. Okay, and the next section, I will extract sentiment scores for positive or negative. Okay, in this snip, we calculate sentiment scores for positive and negative sentiments using the GPT-2 model. The probability error represents the likelihood of the different words in the given text. We sum the probability associated with the tokens corresponding to positive and negative sentiments to obtain scores for each sentiments. Okay, and in final section we will calculate percentage for positive and negative reviews. Okay, and now we want to apply sentiment analyze UDF to the data frame and cache the result. Okay, this got create a new data frame deal with the sentiments by adding a column named sentiment percentage using the analyze sentiments percentage function applied to the review column of the original data frame DF. Additionally, the cache method is used to cache the new data frame for improved performance in subsequent operations. Okay, and here I want to extract positive and negative and neutral, positive and negative percentages into separate columns. Okay, in these lines of code, we are creating new columns in the data frame DF with the sentiments to sort of positive and negative sentiments percentage. These percentages are derived from the values stored in a sentiment percentage array column where index 0 represent the positive percentage and index 1 represent the negative percentage. Okay, and next step, apply sentiment analyzes a UDF to the data frame. Okay. We add a new column neutral percentage to df with sentiments data frame. Okay, and next step is calculate neutral percentage for each review. Okay, and here we define an expression neutral expert is defined to identify reviews falling within a neutral sentiment range. I mean is if a review between a positive range between a 40 percentage and 60 percentage and between the range of negative percentage between 40 and 60 percentage, it will be neutral neutral reviews. Okay, and next step is calculate neural percentage for each review. Okay, in this code, adds in a new column named neutral percentage to the data frame with the data frame df with the sentiments. The values in these columns are determined based on this condition, above condition, neutral expert. If the condition specify neutral expert are met, the value is not set to 100. The value is set to 100. Otherwise, is it set to 0? The purpose is to assign a percentage indicating the neutrality of sentiments to each review. Okay, and next step is calculate the maximum sentiment percentage among the positive, negative, and neutral columns, because you must finally detect which of this type is main status for this review. Okay, we added new column max sentiments percentage is created, containing the maximum sentiments percentage among the positive, negative, and neutral percentage. Okay, and we want to determine the corresponding sentiments category. Okay, the sentiment category column is determined based on the maximum sentiment percentage. It categorizes reviews as a positive, negative, neutral, or unknown. If none of the previous condition are met. Okay, and next step is show the data frame with the sentiment and sentiment category. Okay, you can see this result set. Okay, the data from with sentiment analyzed result and sentiment category is display contain positive percentage, negative percentage, neutral percentage, and sentiment category. Okay, and next step, calculate total of count of each sentiment type. Okay, next step is calculate percentage. Okay, total concept of review in each sentiment category are calculated. Percentage are computed based on the total number of the reviews. Okay, and next step is create a result data frame. Okay, you can see the final result that contain two columns, sentiment sentiment type columns, and percentage. Okay, we have the 50% positive reviews, 10% negative, and 40% neutral. It's not accurate. Okay, you need your custom model. Okay, and improve accuracy. The result data frame is created with the sentiment types and corresponding percentage. The final result data frame is displayed and showing distributions of sentiment types. This code essentially performs sentiment analysis and product reviews using a pre-trained GPT-2 model and present the result in a tabular format. Thanks for watching.